May I remind you all that we are 45 days away, 40 days away from Mr. Modi's deadline for doubling the income of farmers. And you know what has happened to the income of farmers? Crop cultivation income has actually declined. Your Kisan Commission's report will look at all these issues. At least the Kisan Commission, we envisage, has to look at the problems of climate change, which are sharply impacting how they were dismissing the farmers here, rich farmers from Punjab and Haryana. The average annual income of a farming household of 5 people is about 8,300 rupees. Always, with the Kisan Andolan in the whole process, it is their commission. I mean, of all farmers in the country, not just of one state or two or the camps or anything else. So the idea of the Kisan Commission is that it will have some of the most eminent people whose integrity will not be questioned, like the way that of the members of the Supreme Court committee was. And farmers simply said, we won't talk to these guys. Who are they? Farmers simply dismissed them. Here, the farmers will have the say in what the commission will be like, what it will look like, what will be the mandates of this commission. This process we are trying to start simply today. The idea is that it will produce a comprehensive report or reports on the state of Indian agriculture, on the status of the Indian farmer and farm laborer. Landless farmers are also farmers for us, and on Mahila, Dalit and Adivasi Kisans. This commission will produce that. It will also encourage the emergence of state-level Kisan Commission, which will look at the issues in their states and report back here. It can have here, it's very open, very transparent. It is still in the process of formulation, but that's why we are not announcing names and things. That has to come with the democratic consultation. And with that, then we will have a really national debate, not amongst people representing different corporations, not amongst people representing two different political formations that agree with on the question of economics, but you can have hearings in every district in the country. People can take the initiative on what farmers are saying to you. That thing. And lastly, please note that it will also have to look at all those issues that Swaminathan Commission report looked and update those. For instance, income generation, generating the income of farmers. May I remind you all that we are 40 days away from Mr. Modi's deadline for doubling the income of farmers. And you know what has happened to the income of farmers? The latest, the one NSS report they have allowed to be published, situational assessment report on farming in India, farming households in India. That report shows us, as compared to 7 years ago, the 2013 70th round NSS report, the income from the farmer has not doubled. Overall income, because farmer gets income from several sources, he gets cultivation, agricultural income, that is, he gets crop cultivation income, he gets wages income, wage labor income, he gets income from livestock. But the main thing in farming, the income from crop cultivation, Mr. Modi's report shows you, crop cultivation has seen an absolute decline in real income of the farmer. This was the income that was to have been doubled. The rise in income comes from livestock and even more from wage labor. From wage labor, which means, by the way, that more and more farmers are joining the ranks of the agrarian underclass, and you're going to have competition between farmers and agricultural laborers for the available wage labor. So you've really seen I repeat, an absolute decline in real income from crop cultivation for the farmer, and crop cultivation income as a share of total income of the farmer, that has also declined. Please understand this. That's why a new kind of commission, a Kisan Commission, which will tell you what the heck we are earning. They will talk for themselves, not have the editorial writers of the Times and the Express. I have never seen such shameful journalism. When Mr. Modi has withdrawn, it's the only time I have seen the editorials of the great newspapers show some irritation with Mr. Modi himself. It took that to do it, okay? It took that to do it. Huh? I also want to leave you with one number when we're talking about farmers' income. Please remember how they were dismissing the farmers here, rich farmers from Punjab and Haryana. The average annual income of a farming household of 5 people is about 8,300 rupees. Yeah, in Punjab it is 3 times that much. But please look at the per capita agricultural size household in Punjab is 5.4. Divided, you'll get some 4,500 rupees. Please show me one job in the organized sector that pays less. Please show me one job in any other sector that pays less. You dismiss. And who writes this? Rich farmers demanding socialism for rich farmers. India's director on the IMF, who earns more in a day than 5 Punjab households do in a month. Yeah, these are the sort of people writing about rich farmers. Now the income thing, please look at that NSS report, 77th round. Crop cultivation income has actually declined. Your Kisan Commission's report will look at all these issues. At least the Kisan Commission, BN has to look at the problems of climate change, which are already very sharply impacting on production, very sharply impacting on the farmer's security, very sharply affecting the soil, the whole panoply of agriculture. It will have to look at incomes. It will have to look at marketing, even as the devastation of the APMCs continues. So I'm going to stop there and tell you that we are announcing the launch of the process of a Kisan Commission.